Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So in this video I will show you how to increase or decrease the font size in Telegram. So I will show you in my mobile screen. So open your Telegram account. So once you open, here you will see the setting option. So right now you can see the font size, how it is here. So I will click on settings and will scroll down, and here you will see the option as appearance. You have to click on this one and you have to scroll down, and here you will find the option as text size. So once you click on this, you can drag this wherever you want, whatever you want, and click on set. If you will go back to chat, and you can see the size of the font. So in this way you can increase the size of your font in Telegram.